What the hell is that? Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another very, very messy workshop as it happens. Yeah, look, flipping heck, we've got mower maintenance and the TT's hiding back there somewhere, and then we've got kitchen stuff and yeah, we need to sort this out. Anyway, back to this. Have any of you guys ever seen that happen to a car light bulb? Can you see that very well? He's grown a nipple. Nipple. Anyway, yeah, I took this out of Vivaro because the spread was a bit weird, and that's what I found. So, put it in the comments below if you've seen anything like that before. And it still works. So we just got a battery hooked up on the test leads. Look, ready? That's one. And that's the other. It still works on both of them, even though it's got that nipple on it. Weird. Like I said, just an impromptu one. Have you guys ever seen that before? I haven't. There we go. Anyway, sorry to interrupt you, but yeah, if you've got a bit of time, look us up on Instagram, Larcs_workshop, and I'll see you in the next one. Hopefully it'll be a proper video. Cheers then. Oh, someone asked me about the sign. Where guys rule. That was from a crew that I used to work with that got sort of disbanded, but that was Wood Wizard. He made that. He's cracking. Check him out on Instagram, Wood Wizard. Welcome back to the video. Nipple.